All right, guys, so today I want to do a quick review on my portable fan that I have here. This has to be one of the cooler fans that you can get because of all of how you can use it, where you can put it. So, like if you have like a baby, like this little piece right here, these can all fold in whatever form you can. So, if you want to put like on their stroller, if you want to put it like on their crib, you can do that. The other cool thing that I like that where I like to put is like I have like a treadmill here, so I'll literally just grip this right on there and then have this on. So it has three settings. It's got right back here. It's got three settings, which we'll go ahead and turn on. It's got 1, 2, it's going, and 3 is at their strongest. And as you can see, it's blowing out quite a bit of air, but it's not so loud that it's going to be distracting, because I'll even keep this like in my home office and I'll just keep it like so, like just have it like that. You get your manual. It just uses a standard Type-C charger. And the other thing is you don't have to worry about having to unhook. Like if you have this somewhere where like, man, like I really like the way it's already at, like you literally can just unscrew this off and then get this charging. You can leave this wherever you like. So like if you already have it hooked onto the crib, onto your home office, wherever, you can just go charge it right here, and you'll be good to go. What's really awesome is within 3 hours of charging, this will last you literally the entire day. If you have it on that one, you're going to be good to go. 2 and 3, a little bit less, but like I said, within 3 hours, it'll literally last you. So if you're looking for an awesome portable fan, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.